How to check recent following on Instagram. To check your recent following activity on Instagram, follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the following list option available there. Tap on the following count. Here, inside the following count, you will get to see two arrows option available, downwards and upwards. Simply tap on that arrow and then you can see latest option available. Simply tap on the latest. This will show you the Instagram list in order with the latest ones. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.